Let's see if the furnace turns on here. I just looking at it to see how it's doing inside it. Been running good. The hot surface igniter, another person has the same one. It's a 2007 or 8 furnace. It's a Gibson and has a hot surface igniter, and theirs hasn't went out yet. So this one's got it too. So hopefully, I'm not sure if hot surface igniters are better than electronic igniters or what, but to me I think they are. But because with electronic igniter, when they get fouled up, they try to ignite all the time, and then it opens the gas up. Well, here I suppose on the same concept, but it'll probably won't cause an issue because the hot surface igniter burnt out, so it won't be trying to ignite. When it does ignite, then it blows everything up, you know what I mean? So it's the only thing I worry about. It's flashing green. It means it's normal status. When it flashes orange, that's heat call. I think it just ran here not too long ago. Yeah, it might turn on here any minute. But it's got a Fosco 3000 RPM fan on there, made in China, it says. 60,000 BTU, and it puts out about, what does it say, 55,000 or something? 58,000, I don't remember, but I gotta have my air conditioner serviced this spring because it's out of Freon a little bit, a little low I should say, not out. Doesn't cool the best. Yeah, my air conditioner serviced, hasn't been serviced for about 3 years. But it's pretty quiet. I can't hear it. This thing is the noisiest mixer fan because this thing vibrates. There's my bedroom right there. Vibrates this. I can put rubber on there and stop it from doing it, I think. But you can see it's working fine. And you know, like I said, I noticed I had problems with this furnace. Even the new one wouldn't want to run. It kept kicking the burner off and it'd flash a code. And I come to find out that these gas furnaces are only supposed to have these little flush things, light duty filters, the cheap ones, because the thick ones get covered up in there, like this one here. That one's pretty bad, but you can buy them. You can't, because it'll wreck the, I guess the furnace overheats and then it shuts off and tries to ignite again, and it's just hard on it. So I just went and bought these cheap filters here, a pack, and it's been working fine. And I just replace the filter once a month because it's dirty down here when the garage, the car underneath the garage, you know. So I mean, I can't help that. But you can see it runs good. Nice, perfect blue flame. So, yep, that's the start from the furnace, and then have to have the central air serviced. The coil's fine and everything. We checked that when we had the furnace part, so just have to have the outside unit serviced.